Now guys, this is how you can delete a WhatsApp channel. You need to place on updates, then you choose your channel, travel agents. We place on travel agents, then you have to place on the three dots on the upper right corner, then channel info or channel information, then you scroll down, you will see delete channel. You place on delete channel, then channel will be permanently deleted. You have to place on delete if you want to delete it. Let's place on delete. Here we'll have to add the contact. Then you place delete. The channel is deleted. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.